Ready to finish setting up your new Smart Net Plus router? Before continuing, make sure you have the Plume Home app downloaded on your smartphone. You will need the app to finish the setup process and continue getting the most out of your EPB Smart Net Plus Wi-Fi. To download the Plume Home app, scan the QR code on the left for the Apple App Store or the QR code on the right if you have an Android device. Next, go to your email inbox. When you picked up your new SmartNet Plus router, an EPB agent helped you create a Plume Home account for you. You should have received an email from Plume support to verify your email address. Open this email and tap Confirm My Email. This will open a browser window and you should see a message confirming that your email address has been verified. Select Continue Wi-Fi Setup, then select Open to finish the setup process in the Plume Home app. In the app, tap Sign In and enter your email address. You can create a password or sign in with your email address. If you choose Sign In with your email, you will receive another confirmation email to verify your account. Take a moment to review and acknowledge the terms of service, privacy policy, and notice of collection. Then tap Next. Now it's time to set up your SSID or network name and create a password for your Wi-Fi network. Remember, if you use the same name and password from your old router, all of your devices should connect automatically after you finish setting up your new router. If you create a new name and password, you will have to manually reconnect devices like laptops and tablets, smart TVs, and other devices in your home. It will take 2 to 3 minutes for your username to be configured. Hold your smartphone next to the router so the Plume Home app can locate your router. Once the app locates your router, tap Next. If you have extenders, this is where you'll pair them with your router. If not, simply tap Next until you see this message prompting you to join the Wi-Fi network. Tap Join to connect your smartphone to your new router. This means your phone is now connected to your home's Wi-Fi. Simply tap Done to complete the setup process. In addition to setup, the Plume Home app includes features designed to help you monitor, secure, and optimize your SmartNet Plus Wi-Fi. You can create user profiles to monitor usage, filter unwanted content, and even block ads. Use the Focus feature to schedule access to apps and manage screen time. Traffic Boost lets you prioritize certain devices, apps, or user profiles. Great for important work calls or gaming. Advanced security features help protect your home's network, data, and devices from cyber threats and malware. Now you're ready to start enjoying all this bandwidth and security for all your devices. Remember, do not throw your old router in the trash. You can take it to an e-waste recycler like Best Buy, Office Depot, or Staples. Or you may return it to an EPB service center in Hickson or Brainerd. And be sure to perform a factory reset to erase your personal data. If you have any questions or issues, you can call or text the EPB Tech Pros at 423-531-1900. We're available 24/7, 365. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new SmartNet Plus router.